Adding fog or mist to your photos is a great way to add a little bit more drama. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add and emphasize fog and mist inside your photos just using Lightroom. And I'm going to start right now. Now, I love adding in fog and haze to my images. I think, especially landscape-wise, it adds a little bit more drama, makes the photo look a little bit more impactful. Now, the problem with fog and haze, sometimes photographing it, it's very difficult the camera can't visualize what you can visually see. So sometimes we just need to emphasize it. And other times, we just simply want to add it to a photo that already has no fog and haze. So let's take this photo as an example. It's a photo I've recently taken on my ski trip in the Alps. And if we have a look on the right-hand side, you can see we've got this kind of snow blizzard fog kind of coming through, but I really want to add it to the kind of foreground of my image. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to my mask panel, and what I'm going to do is drop down to linear gradient. And what I want to do is add in a nice strong gradient, and this is where the fog and haze is going to be. But I don't want it appearing on the bottom side of the image. I kind of want it appearing from those trees and upwards. So to remove it from that section, what I'm going to do is go ahead and click subtract, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose a linear gradient. Then I'm just going to remove it from the bottom section here. I might add a little bit to the foreground, but not by much. So we've got this nice gradient appearing in the center of my image. Now to add in fog and haze, we actually realistically only need one slider, and that is the dehaze slider. So what we're gonna do is drop all the way down to our effects found inside our masking panel. Then we're gonna go to dehaze. And what's really nice, dehaze has got a minus slider. And there we go. It really is that simple. Now, if you wanna make the photo or the effect look a little bit more realistic, we can actually add in a few more effects. So what I'm gonna do is go to dehaze, drop that down by -20. I'm going to clarity, I'm also going to drop that down by -20, and texture, I'm gonna drop that down by -10. Now, because fog and mist is usually quite bright, what we can also do is go all the way to the top, go to our exposure here, we can add in a little bit of exposure, but not by much, maybe by 0.35%. And we can also go to our highlights here, bring that up slightly, and also what works really well is also go to our shadows. And as you can see, this effect works really, really well. Now, of course, you might need to dial it, make sure you've got the right amount of effect. But as you can see, I personally think adding in fog and mist makes this drama, or makes the photo look a lot more impactful and adds a real amount of drama. Here is the before, and here is the after. And if this particular tutorial helped you out, make sure to write it down in the comments below.